So picture this. You're on your flight. You're cruising at 30,000 feet. And you got a coffee in hand, a much needed pickup in the morning. And all of a sudden, turbulent roller coaster and yep, a coffee stain on your brand new top. Well, don't sweat it. My EDC travel kit, it has you covered. You're just gonna open this packet of Tide to Go and yep, easily remove the stain. But what happens if you're walking and you kind of trip and the hem in your slacks comes out? Again, don't worry. I carry fabric tape in my travel EDC kit. But what about, yep, you're on vacation, you bought a lot of souvenirs and things to give to people back home, and now you're having problems getting everything to fit in your suitcase. Well, what do? Again, yep, we got duct tape in here. It can solve your problem. This EDC travel kit is your all-in-one solution for every unexpected travel mishap, and every item in here is TSA approved. And let's just look at the outside of the pouch. What's hanging right here? That's right, that is a whistle. Nice and loud. It could help you hail a taxi or protect you when you're walking in a strange area. Now, just about every item I'm showing you in this kit can be bought on Amazon. And I have links down below this video and in the pinned comment. So here's my travel EDC kit. It's in a VanQuest pouch. You can see it's small. I have small hands. And here I have a little, hook and loop travel label. And I have a link below that you can get these pretty inexpensive. And you can call it whatever you want. And on the outside, I have an office clip, a little carabiner. Here's the carabiner. And yes, a whistle. Now let's open it up. Oh yeah, and in here, right in this loop, I keep some emergency phone numbers. I'm not going to share those, but just a good idea. And my business card, because that way I'm not giving a home address, but if I lose it or something would happen to me, that would give information who to contact. Okay, let's open it up. Oop, this came out. This is just a rubber band. Let's see what we have in our pouch here. Breath mints, essential. Tide to Go for that coffee stain. And we got 2 of them because I can be messy. Also bacterial hand wipes. And yes, a face mask could come in handy depending on who you're sitting next to, or if you're in a dust storm, which, believe it or not, happened to me in Egypt. And let's see here. And this is my little sewing kit. It has a needle, safety pin, white thread, and black thread. And it's actually on a adhesive jean patch. Anything else? That's it back there. So then here, some soft lips, right? Can't have chapped lips. And these are made by Colgate Wisp. They're disposable, but you have your toothbrush and your toothpaste right here. And then this is nifty. You never know when you might need scissors, so yep, there you go. Can come in handy. And then, yes, another mini Tide to Go, just in case. And then this is neat. This looks like a pen, but it's not. If you unscrew here, all the different types of, let's see that little one, it would be great for eyeglasses. And then these just fit right in here. Okay. And then you can use them screws. So it has a whole bunch of different little screwdrivers. Pretty neat. Now on the other side, and the pouch behind it, ooh, well, we have a dental floss card. I like this because it's in a flat format, but boy, you never know when dental floss is going to come in handy. And you always got to have duct tape. I like this one because it's the neon orange and it's in a nice flat container, but there is a lot of it. It is 5 yards of duct tape. Can really come in handy. Oh, and these are just little nail files. I have 2 of these. Ooh. Well, okay, feminine hygiene product here. And that's it in my pouch. Now here, isn't this adorable? It's really cute. So what I love about this little mini Olight is, well, number one, I like the orange color, easy to see. And I like that it has a clip-on, right? It also is magnetic, and it can produce, believe it or not, 300 lumens. And it even has a red light mode for night vision, all while charging with just the USB cord that my phone uses. And here, this is true utility, and it is, well, let me show you. Yes, it's a nail clipper. There you go. Can really come in handy. And here's a mini Bic lighter. Again, doesn't take up a lot of space. It is TSA approved. And talking about TSA approved, so is this multi-tool. I've had it for probably a decade or longer. It is a Leatherman, and it doesn't have a knife in it, so it's approved. They no longer make it. You may be able to find one on eBay, but I do have a TSA approved multi-tool in the description and the pinned comments for this video. And then this, again, takes up hardly any space. And you have here a pen. And this is not just any pen. This is a Write in the Rain pen. So it can write upside down. It can write on wet surfaces. It's a very versatile pen. And you always need a pen when you're traveling, especially if you're on the airlines and you have to make out custom forms or visa type things. This comes in really handy. And again, hardly takes up any space. And then down here, this is just a little card I put with some tarred heavy-duty bank line. Again, can come in really handy. And here, more of those little nail files. And this is actually fabric tape in here, and it can mend a hem without any sewing. And we have a rubber band also. And that's it for my travel EDC kit. So every item in this kit has one goal in mind. It's to keep you moving forward no matter what travel throws at your way. You know, whether it's that coffee spill at 30,000 feet or a suitcase snafu, I got you covered. This, what I call my Lifesaver EDC, is a must travel item. Just remember, a little preparedness goes a long, long way. Now, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit that like button. And I promise I'll have a lot of videos in the future that will help you have your best adventure ever. Keep traveling.